Let us learn the three kinds of energy: light energy, heat energy, and sound energy. Now, let us learn about light. Why is light important? Light helps people see things. It is dark without light. Here are some activities that use light: reading, camping, fishing, traveling by car. Many things give off light. There are two kinds of sources of light. These are the natural light and the artificial light. Natural light are made by our God. Sun, stars, fireflies. Artificial light are made by man. Bonfire, flashlight, torch, light bulb, and gas lamp. We have reflectors of light. What is reflectors of light? Reflectors of light cannot emit their own light. They just reflect light from luminous objects. Now, let us look at these examples. Sun, moon. The moon doesn't emit its own light, but it shines brightly at night because it takes sunlight during the daytime and reflects at night. So we who are on earth see reflected sunlight. Now, let us learn about heat energy. There are many things that can give off heat. Can you name them? Heat is energy that comes from warm objects. It may come from the sun or other sources that give off heat, like electricity and fire. Heat helps us in many ways. It dries out wet clothes. It helps us cook our food. It helps us iron our clothes. The sun helps plants make own food. Remember, heat is energy that comes from warmer objects. The sun is the main source of heat energy. Other sources of heat are fire and electricity. Now let us learn about sound energy. Sound is the energy that we hear. Different sounds are from different things. Children make sounds while they play. Musical instruments produce sounds, and also animals make different sounds. Here are the examples of sound energy. Mobile ringing. Balloon popping. Airplane taking off. Cracker bursting. Clapping hands. Dog barking. Drum beating. Singing song. Bell ringing. Blowing whistle. Water falling. Frog croaking. Car horning. Buzzing bee. Different things produce soft or loud sounds. Some things and actions produce soft sounds. Other objects also produce loud sounds. Here are the examples of soft sounds. Soft sounds are very gentle that are very low in volume. Birds chirping. Wind chime. Trickling of water. Buzzing bee. Sound of kitten. Heartbeat. Sound of sea waves. Sound of piano. Sound of flute. Here are the examples of loud sounds. Loud sounds are powerful sounds that are very high in volume. Ambulance siren. Airplane. Rocket. Helicopter. Barking of a dog. Train's whistle. Fireworks. Drum beat. School bell. That's all for today, kids. I hope you have learned a lot today. Keep on learning and see you next time.